Hello, friends and family. Welcome to Mr. Nice Entertainment TV. In other words, Nice Television. Welcome to a brand new episode of today's program. Today we have something great for you people today. Today episode which we title Numbers in ESAN language. Today we'll be starting from 1 to 500 million. We'll be starting from 1 to 100, then in 100 we'll be taking it in 100, then from 100 we come to 1000, and we'll be taking it from 1000 till we get to million, and when we arrive in million we conclude it in 5 million. Ivo ESAN hoje. Arrivo bushan kekerara. Ayena. Opa va ea. Oma dolu nanya. They put 1, 2, 3. Dayo amari howo no sen. Nanya madini okpa muki. Maki no pa omukenya. Maki do choice ebo isen. Okini ba cho ni ude dago sakize burio okpa kino mala mukenya maki choice fiovi isen. Maki bo isen muke. Maki do choice fiovi isen igbe. Sabo re choice uli. Maki bode ni muke. Maki do choice fiovi uli isen igbe. Sabo re choice ebo. Makinde ni muke. Maki do huerevi ebo isen. Ndayo na wagende lensegi nya ebo nwena vai o toisan. Ebi na cho okpa vai aye ne isen e ahiyo. Da beje boremo si do maremo siwa. Madel go nanya vaki makabo gende luoi. Oyo sema pa ose okhanela vade. Nile ipawore choye bebo no siwa. Wada go enya. Mukema yedo okpa kino ba re be jagbare. Aro pugme jagbare na regmebe. Oyo se ago okpa aki agbon woto. Idayo iri ono. Gwa hirelo noni okpa eva ya enena were onu asoto niwe ya kere aimiemi iye nugo opuna ya iri ono yokesa oke ayiri o wa be don debe wa ni debere wa gbogbo bai ya muja kegbe akina okpa fonya oshanzen oke amuke o Bari hobo oyo se va pa o se ni mo bere no o. In English language we say one. In ESAN language we say okpa. In English language we say two. In ESAN language we say eva. In English language we say three. In ESAN language we say ea. In English language we say four. In ESAN language we say ene. In English language we say five. In ESAN language we say isen. In English language we say six. In ESAN language we say ehan. In English language we say seven. In ESAN language we say ihion. In English language, we say A. In ESAN language, we say elele. In English language, we said 9. In ESAN language, we say isinli. In English language, we said 10. In ESAN language, we said igbe. In English language, we say 11. In ESAN language, we say ugbolo. In English language, we say 12. In ESAN language, we say igbeva. In English language, we say 13. In ESAN language, we say igbelea. In English language, we say 14. In ESAN language, we say igbene. In English language, we say 15. In ESAN language, we say isenyaigbe. In English language, we say 16. In ESAN language, we say ehanyaigbe. In English language, we say 17. In ESAN language, we say ihionyaigbe. In English language, we said 18. In ESAN language, we said elelenyaipe. In English language, we said 19. In ESAN language, we said isilinyaipe. In English language, we said 20. In ESAN language, we say uje. In English language, we say 21. In ESAN language, we say opanya uje. In English language, we say 22. In ESAN language, we say evanya uje. In English language, we say 23. In ESAN language, we say eanya uje. In English language, we say 24. In ESAN language, we say enenya uje. In English language, we say 25. In ESAN language, we say isenya uje. In English language, we say 26. In ESAN language, we say ehanya uje. In English language, we say 27. In ESAN language, we say ihionya uje. In English language, we say 28. In ESAN language, we say elelenya uje. In English language, we say 29. In ESAN language, we say isilinya uje. In English language, we say 30. In ESAN language, we say ọgbọ̀n. In English language, we say 31. In ESAN language, we say Okpanyan Ogban. In English language, we say 32. In ESAN language, we say Ivanya Ogban. In English language, we say 33. In ESAN language, we say Eanya Ogban. In English language, we say 34. In ESAN language, we say Enenya Ogban. In English language, we say 35. In ESAN language, we say Isenya Ogban. In English language, we say 36. In ESAN language, we say Ehanya Ogban. In English language, we say 37. In ESAN language, we say Ihionya Ogban. In English language, we say 38. In ESAN language, we say Elerenya Ogban. In English language, we say 39. In ESAN language, we say Isenenya Ogban. In English language, we say 40. In ESAN language, we say Igboiva. In English language, we say 41. In ESAN language, we say Okpanya Igboiva. In English language, we say 42. In ESAN language, we say Evanya Igboiva. In English language, we say 43. In ESAN language, we say Eanya Igboiva. In English language, we say 44. In ESAN language, we say Enenya Igboiva. In English language, we say 45. In ESAN language, we say Isenya Igboiva. In English language, we say 46. In ESAN language, we say Ehanya Igboiva. In English language, we say 47. In ESAN language, we say Ihionya Igboiva. In English language, we say 48. In ESAN language, we say Elelenya Igboiva. In English language, we say 49. In ESAN language, we say Isilinya Igboiva. In English language, we say 50. In ESAN language, we say Igbenya Igboiva. In English language, we say 51. In ESAN language, we say Ugbonya Igboiva. In English language, we say 52. In ESAN language, we say Igbevanya Igboiva. In English language, we say 53. In ESAN language, we say Igbeanya Igboiva. In English language, we say 54. In ESAN language, we say Igbenenya Igboiva. In English language, we say 55. In ESAN language, we say isenrivi yeah. In English language, we say 56. In ESAN language, we say enenrivi yeah. In English language, we say 57. In ESAN language, we say airivi yeah. In English language, we say 58. In ESAN language, we say evairiviea. In English language, we say 59. In ESAN language, we say opairiviea. In English language, we say 60. In ESAN language, we say yeah. Or egboea. In English language, we say 61. In ESAN language, we say ọ̀pá nyàn ìyẹ́à. In English language, we say 62. In ESAN language, we say eva nyàn ìyẹ́à. In English language, we say 63. In ESAN language, we say ea nyàn ìyẹ́à. In English language, we say 64. In ESAN language, we say enenya ijea. In English language, we say 65. In ESAN language, we say isenya ijea. In English language, we say 66. In ESAN language, we say ehanya yeah. In English language, we say 67. In ESAN language, we say ihinyonya yeah. In English language, we say 68. In ESAN language, we say ilelenya yeah. In English language, we say 69. In ESAN language, we say isili nyai ijea. In English language, we say 70. In ESAN language, we say igbenya ijea. In English language, we say 71. In ESAN language, we say upolo unya ijea. In English language, we say 72. In ESAN language, we say igbevanya ijea. In English language, we say 73. In ESAN language, we say igbeanya ijea. In English language, we say 74. In ESAN language, we say igbenenya ijea. In English language, we say 75. In ESAN language, we say isenriviyene. In English language, we say 76. In ESAN language, we say enenriviyene. In English language, we say 77. In ESAN language, we say eairiviyene. In English language, we say 78. In ESAN language, we say evairivigene. In English language, we say 79. In ESAN language, we say opairivigene. In English language, we say 80. In ESAN language, we say iyene or egboene. In English language, we say 81. In ESAN language, we say opa nyai iyene. In English language, we say 82. In ESAN language, we say eva nyai iyene. In English language, we say 83. In ESAN language, we say eanyai iyene. In English language, we say 84. In ESAN language, we say enenya iyene. In English language, we say 85. In ESAN language, we say isenya iyene. In English language, we say 86. In ESAN language, we say ehanya iyene. In English language, we say 87. In ESAN language, we say ihinyonya iyene. In English language, we say 88. In ESAN language, we say elelenya iyene. In English language, we say 89. In ESAN language, we say isilinya iyene. In English language, we say 90. In ESAN language, we say igbenya iyene. In English language, we say 91. In ESAN language, we say ugbolo onya iyene. In English language, we say 92. In ESAN language, we say igbevanya iyene. In English language, we say 93. In ESAN language, we say igbeleanya iyene. In English language, we say 94. In ESAN language, we say igbenenya iyene. In English language, we say 95. In ESAN language, we say isenrivi isen. In English language, we say 96. In ESAN language, we say eneirivi isen. In English language, we say 97. In ESAN language, we say eairivi isen. In English language, we say 98. In ESAN language, we say evairivi isen. In English language, we said 99. In ESAN language, we say opairivi isen. In English language, we said 100. In ESAN language, we say iyisen or egbo isen. In English language, we say 200. In ESAN language, we say Iseiva. In English language, we say 300. In ESAN language, we say Iseya. In English language, we say 400. In ESAN language, we say Iyise ine. In English language, we say 500. In ESAN language, we say Iyise isen. In English language, we say 600. In ESAN language, we say Iyise ehan. In English language, we say 700. In ESAN language, we say Iyise ihiran. In English language, we say 800. In ESAN language, we say Iyise ilenlen. In English language, we say 900. In ESAN language, we say Iyise isinlin. In English language, we say 1000. In ESAN language, we say Iyise igbe or uli. In English language, we say 10,000. In ESAN language, we say uli igbe. In English language, we say 20,000. In ESAN language, we say uli uje. In English language, we say 30,000. In ESAN language, we say uli ogban. In English language, we say 40,000. In ESAN language, we say uli egboiva. In English language, we say 50,000. In ESAN language, we say uli igbenyan egboiva. In English language, we say 60,000. In ESAN language, we say uli irea. In English language, we say 70,000. In ESAN language, we say uli igbenyan irea. In English language, we say 80,000. In ESAN language, we say uli iyene. In English language, we say 90,000. In ESAN language, we say uli igbenyan iyene. In English language, we say 100,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen. In English language, we say 200,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen iva. In English language, we say 300,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen eya. In English language, we say 400,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen ene. In English language, we say 500,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen isen. In English language, we say 600,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen ehan. In English language, we say 700,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen ihion. In English language, we say 800,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen ilenle. In English language, we say 900,000. In ESAN language, we say uli isen isinlin. In English language, we say 1 million. In ESAN language, we say uyi isen igbe or ebo. In English language, we say 200 million. In ESAN language, we say ebo isen iva. In English language, we said 400 million. In ESAN language, we say ebo isen ine. In English language, we said 500 million. In ESAN language, we say ebo isen isen. Dear friends and family, we have come to today's conclusion on this episode, Numbers in ESAN language. I hope you enjoyed it, and we urge you to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Iwo kesan oye. Dayo waja fe ona re, ona yi pepe. Ona cho yo re meri vegbo. Ona le logbe. Dayo makiro egbe sotoro. Okpa kino ba alo o dedo. Eba alo agwe. Dayo yo se va pa o. O se ni wo kan bire ve no. Feke ama se wo ebo akiye. Aye ma o kan ibare se san ye. Oze mada feke alon de mina. Ni wo kan bo feke alenge ni aje na vai. Ame wo na zeri dan ni. Dayo okpa ki egbo no. Emi are mo bo gelin. Ba subscribe bo mi bo choice subscription. Ba ki feke press on the button. On the button on cha. Ba ki press on ni mare wi video ba ki ami o gire. Ide no. Dayo ESAN oye. ESAN lo pe wo lo ide. Akimbo ifo.